Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tenza B and come on and watch with me. I'm actually going to show you how my makeup artist in Jamaica did my makeup, and all this was just a natural makeup. So right now he's cleansing my face. His name is Jermaine. He's one of Jamaica's best makeup artists in my opinion. Okay, so he's cleansing my face right now. And you can see I'm chatting all the way. Right? He's putting on my foundation. The foundation that he's using is NARS. I've used it before and I love it. So this is what he's doing. And I usually do my own makeup. But the day when he did it, I was so excited to see my face after he completed the makeup. All these products that he's using on my face are, most of them, they're NARS, which I always use myself. Okay. And I think, with my opinion, I don't know what you think as you look along, but I think he's very good at blending. I can see my face start to look, glowing as he goes along. And now he's using the sponge to get it all blending even more. It took roughly an hour that he did, to complete my makeup. And all that time, I was so happy talking to him. Now he's applying the lightener, the foundation that he just did. Now he's putting on the highlighter. He's doing it on below my eyes, along my nose, to the tip of my nose. And he applied a little to my forehead and on my chin. And I think that was also NARS, as I said before. He uses a lot of that product along with others. Sometimes I'm looking back at my makeup artist and how he's applying the makeup, and I'm saying to myself, oh my God, how was I talking so much? Could he really get that foundation all, over my face like that? But he did, surprisingly. He did a very good job at the end. I didn't shut up no time, as you can see. Now he's actually, getting it all blending. I think the next step that he did was to put I think he did the shadows under my eyes, because you can see the difference. Yeah, it's a little darker right there. Yeah. And he goes to my cheek to put the blush along my cheek. I tend to have high cheekbones, so it's easy to show once you put that blush right there. Guys, what do you think about NARS product? Because I don't know, I think I'm falling in love with NARS. Usually I put my own makeup on when I'm at home, but that day I just decided I'm just gonna let Jermaine do mine. I'm always seeing when he is finished look, and it's always beautiful. So I said, why not call him? So I did call him and asked him if he could get my makeup done, and I did it before I went to Jamaica. I called and I make the appointment because he's usually pretty busy. He's always busy. He's always all over the country. So I was so happy and so, excited to meet him when I go to Jamaica. He did a very good job. in my opinion, what do you guys think? As you go along, you'll see. So far, I think it's good. Look at my eyebrows. He did a very good job, you know, getting them all shaped up. And I think what he did also, he did my lashes, but I think it was, the way he did it was under the lashes, under my lashes that I have. You know, that's what he did. He added more lashes, but he put them under and not on top. You know, some people put the lashes on top. Well, he did it under, and you'll see as you go along, as he goes along. Okay, there it is. First, he's actually shaping them up, brushing them like that. I usually put my lashes on top of my lashes, but I think he did it under because I could feel them going on. And they were going on top, I could feel it under. Okay, okay, there it is. Yeah, he went under the lid and it felt so good. It felt like I didn't even have lashes on.
Hi guys, my name is Jermaine Palmer. I'm an international certified makeup artist based in Jamaica. My Instagram handle is jpalmua, that's JPALMUA. You can also find me on WhatsApp or iMessage. My telephone number and my Instagram handle will be listed in the description bar.
I just got my makeup done and it's by Jermaine, and look at it. Isn't that beautiful? So remember to subscribe, and right below you'll see his information as he said. Bye.